Welcome to our course over Allen Bradley Studio5000 course. In this course, we will guide you and provide you with the information that will allow you to understand how to program in Allen Bradley PLC, help you to understand the software, and be able to navigate it easily. We will cover topics relating to inputs, outputs, also known as IOs, communications, programming fundamentals, and process logic. By the end of this course, you should be familiar with the software, be able to start a program from scratch, and be able to provide the programming necessary to make your device process come to life. We will use almost real-life scenarios using a simulator to control a process. We have made it our goal to give you the tools necessary for you to go out into the real world and start working with PLCs. You will also be able to troubleshoot existing programs if you already work for a company that deals with PLCs. If you don't already work in an industry that deals with PLCs, such as manufacturing, integration, or automation industry, this course can help you land an entry-level job as a PLC programmer.